Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this delicious curried shrimp and eggs. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have my eggs already boiled. I know everyone knows how to boil eggs, so I did this ahead of time. I also marinated my shrimp ahead of time. I have some potatoes, some curry powder, geera, masala, some coconut milk. I'll be using some thyme, scallion, parsley, ginger, garlic, onion, and some scotch bonnet and wiri peppers. For the seasoning, I have some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, and seasonal salt. So to season my shrimp, I have chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some Old Bay. And to that, I will add 1 tablespoon of fresh green seasoning. The link for the green seasoning will be listed down in my description box. So I just mix that to combine and set aside. Next, I'll go ahead and mix my curry powders into a paste by adding 1 tablespoon of green seasoning and some water. You want to mix until well combined and then just set it aside. Now to my preheated wok, I've added some oil, and here I will go ahead and fry my eggs to create a rough exterior on the outside. This will help the curry sauce to adhere to the eggs, because you know eggs are smooth on the outside, and if you place them as they are into the curry, it will not hold on to the eggs, and you know it's no fun eating it like that. So you want to create that rough exterior so that the sauce will adhere to the eggs. Once they're nice and golden brown, you want to remove them and set them aside. So now to the same wok, we will add that curry paste. You want to mix this for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing it to cook thoroughly. Once the oil starts to separate from the curry and it turns a nice dark brown, that's how you know it is ready. And that's when you will follow up with your aromatics and the herbs. Mix that, allow to go for about a minute or two. Then we will come in with our potatoes, after which we will allow those to go for about 2 minutes as well, and then we will add our liquids. So now you want to add some hot water just to not slow up the cooking temperature. And then we will go in with our coconut milk. We'll also add our seasoning here to add flavor and taste to the dish. At this point, you can taste and make sure that it suits your preference, but don't add too much seasoning because this will reduce and the flavors will become more potent. So now we will add our thyme and our peppers, cover and allow this to simmer until the potatoes are nice and tender and the sauce has thickened. Once the sauce is nice and thick and the potatoes are tender, the last thing we will add is our shrimp and the eggs. We will give it a good stir, make sure the eggs and the shrimp are nicely coated in that sauce, and you want to cover and allow to simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. And that's basically it, guys. Super simple and easy, and this is absolutely delicious. After about 5 minutes, like I said, you can get ready to serve. This is so mouth-watering and delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. Now let me plate it up and show you all the finished product. So I did plate this up with some plain white rice and a fresh cucumber salad. And let me tell you, it was nothing short of amazing. Like I said, please give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy